Hello guys, in this video we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Neetocal Action Automation for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Then it will bring you to this interface where you're simply going to click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the CMAQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup that shows the status of the app. We notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries. We're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on Admin Panel, click on API Keys, click on Add API Key. You're going to enter your API key name. And if you wish, you can actually enter your expiring date. And once you're done, click on Save Changes. There we go. Our API key has been generated. So we're going to copy our API key and head over back to our account. Click on Start Setup. Paste your API key. When registering, we'll ask your workspace name. So in the email sent to you, you're going to see your workspace name. So you're actually going to go back to your email, your inbox. Here we can find our workspace name. So we're going to copy our workspace name and head over back to your account, paste your workspace and click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the Knowledge Support Center, you can create a ticket for your support team, or you can actually book a call with our support team. We equally have the change log. Here, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.